KTM Motorcycles announced new 2023 KTM 890 SM model. This bike is for sports touring motorcycle model. The all-new 2023 KTM 890 SM is just revealed, and we will show the full specifications and power for this model details for everyone know. KTM 890 SM Model 2023 specifications. Powerful 889 cubic centimeters engine. Engine type liquid-cooled 4-stroke, parallel 2 cylinders engine. Transmission 6-speed. Power torque 100 Newton meters, power in kilowatt is 77 kilowatt, an electric starter. Seat height is 860 millimeters, and vehicle weight is 194 kilograms. Ground clearance 227 millimeters, front brake size is 320 mm and rear brake size is 260 millimeters, and brake is ABS, that including ABS and Supermoto mode. This video we only show the full specifications for this touring motorcycle new 2023 KTM 890 SM model that just announced by KTM Motorcycles. So after watch this video I think you will satisfy, so please like and share my video to your friend to make them know also. For the price and colors we will update for next after this model official launch. So please watch my video until the end to know more details with this touring motorcycle. So if you have anything please let me know by comment below or check in KTM Motorcycles web for clearly. Thanks for watching my video until the end.